In a serene corner of the world, imagine a home where architecture doesn't simply occupy space, but rather inhabits emotion. This is the threshold of our story, a residence conceived as sanctuary, one that balances open skies and gentle shade, carving out moments of calm amidst the ever-shifting light. Here, the design becomes a silent conversation between the inhabitants and the landscape, where facade planes lean into the sun, while delicate courtyards cradle verdant breezes. In this narrative, the home is not just built, it is felt. The roof hovers lightly, the volume floats with intention, and every material is chosen to invite softness rather than spectacle. We open with a vision of dwelling as refuge, of walls as guardians of memory and light as the language of comfort. As we move deeper into the house, we discover the elevated social realm, a spacious living and dining zone raised above the ground's ambient hum, poised like a pavilion. Here, volumes are generous yet unpretentious, shaped by the notion of openness without exposure. The interior opens to a planted courtyard, allowing the cool air to sweep through, and giving each gathering its moment of quiet intimacy. From large glazed panels to shaded overhangs, the design invites the outside in, not aggressively, but delicately. Furniture is minimal, textures are muted, and the scent of timber and greenery subtly anchors the space. In this elevated zone, the home becomes less a machine for living and more a stage for being, for conversation, for laughter, for stillness. It is in this space that life feels light, but rooted. Turning from the sociable realm, we enter the private wings, bedrooms and retreats that flank an interior garden, a lush, hidden courtyard that becomes the heart of solitude. Here the architecture whispers rather than shouts. A gently curved wall greets you as you arrive, leading into the quieter world of rooms bathed in dappled light. The courtyard is more than an aesthetic flourish, it is a living organism within the home, creating microclimate, inviting small breezes, offering glimpses of green from every chamber. Doors and windows frame the garden rather than open to urban noise, and each space feels protected, calm, and expansive. Within these rooms, the home offers time to reflect, to rest, to remember. Design here is subtle, thoughtful, walls adopt the hue of twilight, floors are grounded, shadows become companions. Underpinning the home's design is a deep respect for material, climate, and memory. Materials aren't flashy, they are honest and textured: concrete, wood, steel, glass, each chosen with purpose, each aging gracefully. The house orients itself obliquely to the tree-lined plaza beyond, capturing breeze without glare, embracing shade as primary building material rather than afterthought. The heavy ground floor volumes act as thermal anchors, while the elevated social box invites light and air. Every junction, every edge, is refined not for show but for performance: thermal comfort, spatial clarity, emotional resonance. This is architecture that listens, to place, to light, to past memories of the occupants. It becomes a vessel for memory, yet also a stage for what comes next. In the end, what this house offers is more than shelter. It offers a framework for living, breathing, and being. It is a home that honors personal history, where shade becomes sanctuary and courtyard becomes internal universe. As we imagine closing the doors at dusk, the gentle hum of the day's breeze lingers, the garden's green shadows soften, and the architecture fades into atmosphere. Life within the home flows naturally, gathering, retreating, dreaming. It is a design that doesn't impose, but invites, doesn't dictate, but supports. And in this invitation lies its true magic. May this narrative inspire your creative journey, to imagine spaces not only of function, but of feeling, where light, shadow, material, and memory converge into a place you call home.